Okay, here we go. Welcome to day 1 of our renovation story. Today's all about painting, flooring, and baseboards, the bones that set the mood for everything else. Before the pretty stuff comes in, it's time to get our hands dirty. Demo day, sample testing, and more than a few trips to the store. For the walls, we went with Simply White by Benjamin Moore. It's warm, fresh, and clean. Not too stark, not too creamy. It brings that Japandi-inspired calm without feeling cold or flat. We tested it against a few options, but this one felt right. It works with soft woods, clean lines, and layered textures we're planning to bring in throughout the space. For the floors, we chose a 7-inch wide plank in a soft white oak tone from a store called Stone Tile. It's a click-lock system, easy to install, and it gives a really clean, high-end finish. The wider boards help visually open up the space, and the texture keeps it feeling grounded and natural. It's the perfect base for the Japandi-inspired look we're going for. Calm, minimal, but still warm. We went taller for the baseboards, 5.5-inch squared edge. It instantly made the room feel more modern and elevated. It's a small detail, but it frames the room so well, especially when paired with clean white walls and soft natural flooring. Follow along to see what's next. We're just getting started on turning this place into something really special.